Hello everyone, this is Rachel from Cuisines and Wellness. To our returning subscribers, welcome. Hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of our uploads. Today I will be showing you how to make this budget-friendly, super easy, super simple salad recipe for dinner, lunch or as a side dish. So let's jump right into it. You'll be needing lettuce, chicken thighs, cucumbers, tomatoes, 2 types of cheeses and eggs. So let's start by prepping the chicken. Cut the chicken into small pieces so that it can cook properly, absorb all the ingredients, and also so that it can get done fast. Get a small pot, put the cut chicken into it and allow to simmer for 5 minutes. Then add your ingredients for taste. I'm adding salt, mixed spices, black pepper and seasoning cube. Mix thoroughly and allow to simmer. I'm using chicken thighs because of its high fat content. It can produce enough oil for me to use for some other thing like fry my egg. It's just to allow the water to dry up. It's truly delicious. You should try it. If you've watched up to this point, please click the like button down below because it helps our channel grow. I'm cutting the cucumbers in circles so that I can use it later for the beautiful salad platter I'm making at the end. I'm just using 1 cucumber for this. I'll still cut the tomatoes into circles too. Make sure to use tomatoes that are firm to touch, not the very soft ones. You won't get what you need for this. Next, cut the Sulguni cheese into small cubes. You can choose any cheese like feta, goat or Parmesan cheese. I'm using Sulguni and Philadelphia cheese here for this recipe. I'm also cutting the eggs into circles. Eggs are good sources of omega-3 fats, protein and energy. They boost brain power and also facilitate muscle building. Next, I'm making a very beautiful salad platter just for aesthetics. Let's do this. First, get a very large flat plate that can contain the amount of ingredients you've prepared. The lettuce will serve as the base, so lay the lettuce first around your plate and make sure you cover it very well. Place the cucumbers on top of the lettuce. Continue placing the cucumbers in circles. I'm just loving the way it's coming out. Here comes the tomatoes, looking all juicy and sumptuous. Look at the beautiful red color, just perfect. Tomatoes are great sources of vitamins, good for the skin, heart health, and used in various cooking dishes. Next, add the eggs beside the tomatoes. I'm just loving this color and how this is coming out. Now add the chicken in the center. Chicken thighs have monosaturated fat, the kind that aids in weight loss, control and reduce pesky cholesterol numbers, and even lowers your risk of heart diseases and cancer. Spread the cheese cubes around the plate. Make sure to distribute it around evenly. Next, put the creamy Philadelphia cheese on top. Just made this platter because the colors were just beautiful and vibrant and I wanted to make something out of it. Now I've chopped everything and placed in a big bowl to mix together. You can add olive oil, mayonnaise and any sauce of your choice. I'm adding mayonnaise here because that's what I like best. Just look at this bowl of yummy goodness. This can serve as a side dish for ribeye steak, grilled sweet potatoes, rice, pasta and so on, or as a whole dish because it's totally filling. I hope you enjoyed watching. We upload new videos every week. Consider subscribing to our channel and turn on your post notification bell just beside the subscribe button so you'll be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Please like, share, subscribe and leave a comment below. If you are trying to lose weight, consider joining my free WhatsApp group for weight loss in the description box below. Remember, don't live for eating, but eat for living. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.